but hopefully later no maging finer yung ating weather. But of course, for our tour for today, I believe everyone is going to Underground River. Am I right?
Right.
Tama po. No one will be going to El Nido or Honda Bay for today. This might not be your van. For clarification, lahat po pupunta ng Underground River?
Yes po.
Alright, perfect. Well, anyways, first off, before anything else, I would like to formally introduce to you my team or our team to guide you and hello and pleased to meet you. Welcome sa Puerto Princesa. Ayan, I'm Kyle. I'm a licensed tour guide here in the city of Puerto Princesa. I'm also a DOT accredited po, no? So, expected from us to render for you for today's adventure. And of course, actually here, no, in the island of Palawan, which is known for being the last ecological frontier. So, not only the beautiful sceneries found here in the island of Palawan, of course, some of which are wildlife. And speaking of wildlife, later on during our tour, we will encounter some of them. Okay? And I'll be giving you some of reminders after I'll give you the preview of our itinerary or schedule. So first off, we'll have this bus or van heading to west coast northern part of the city of Puerto Princesa. And we will be heading to Sabang. Ayan. That's the name of the town or yung village where we will be heading to, which that place is where the Underground River is situated. Already done our tour at Underground River, so we reached the beach area. Ayan po, sikat na sikat po yan siya sa YouTube. That is the place where they harvest that oyster, and you can actually eat that like ceviche.
So, nandito kami sa port, guys, no? Waiting for the boat going to Underground River. Naaman diha. Ano din?
Lamok ako. Kuasa ba? Dito sa puno ka.
Ba? Mine sandals.
You need your hard hats.
Okay. In case something falls.
In case something like about your head.
Just keep it. Put your head in your bag. Or whatever.
Nama kayak ini.
Ang ganda dito, guys.
11. 11.
Sorry ko din.
Tatlo kuya yung hiwalay. Isang pamilya kasi sila. Nanay tatay sa tayo. Hindi pa bumili.
Be.
Everyone, morning sir.
I-prepare ko na nga di ta maglambot. Ay.
Kato puto ha.
3, 4.
One.
Isa.
Uh, 10% capacity. We can afford to divide here.
Pass there. That's the underground
Okay,
river.
no.
Let me see. Kung mag-picture ka, mag-video na ha, picture. Parang... Kailan yung percent, anak?
Bachik na lang ako natulog na. Wala, ma'am.
Wala.
Excuse me, may baro.
Hindi mainit sa kuya ma'am, hindi rin masyadong malamig. Tamang temperature.
Yeah, ma'am, mayroon na, ma'am.
May,
Right? Enjoy ito with Kuya Erwin po. Erwin, you okay guys?
Okay na po.
Unang bala sa kanila kuya. Ma'am, sa gitna ka lang. Salamat.
Eh.
Watch your head po ma'am. Watch your head. Alam na. Minsan, pag sumubrang expected mo. Oo. Picture ka lang. Sir, wait ka. Picture ko kayo nila. Alright, ma'am, sir. So, all of you are first time here?
Yes.
First time?
Yes.
So, welcome here po at Underground River. So, hopefully, we like it at the tour. So, just always listen to your device po, okay? If you have any questions po, I'll be there here at the back. Alright, so everyone, kindly prepare your cell phone or camera. There on the right.
White. Very dark mine.
Vampire. That is a vampire. A vampire.
Okay, wait lang. Okay?
Tama.